Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to do the shell pattern, stitch, whatever you want to call it. We will be learning how to do that. So for this demonstration, I am going to just chain. Let's pick a random number. I'll chain 15, 16 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more for good luck. Okay, so all you have to do is go into the next chain from the hook. You're going to double crochet, either 4 or 5 is up to you. You can do 3. I'm gonna do 4. So 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna skip this one. You're gonna go into the next one and put a single crochet. You're gonna go immediately into the next one and do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip and then go into the next one, and you're going to put a single crochet. So I'm going to do 2 more with you guys, and then I'm going to show you what it's looking like. So immediately into the next one, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to skip, go into the next one, put your single crochet, immediately into the next one, you're going to put 4 more double crochets. So that was 2, 3, and then 4. So here is your shells. Obviously, you probably would do 1 row, probably do 2 rows, and then you start your shell work, and then it'll start looking like how you want it to look. Obviously, it's curving because they are going as a loop. Yours will not. If you want to use this to put a border at the end of your tops, your skirt, a scarf, a bandana, a hat, it's all up to you, but that's basically how you do the shell stitch. And I will show you guys what it looks like on the project that I recently did on live. If you guys were on my live, then you would have saw me doing it. So yes, that's all you do, is that easy. And bear with me, I will go get the project. Okay, so here's the top that I finished on live the other day. And as you can see, sorry guys, my alarm was going off. As you can see, the shell stitch is right here. So obviously if it was on the shirt, it would have been this way. And this is exactly how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. And if you make any projects, tag me in your videos in the comment section and let me know. if this helped, or just comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next as well. But thank you guys for watching my channel. And like I said, I'm no longer a part of my beauty crochet. I am Honey Stitches. And come back for the next one.